Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to stop autosave WhatsApp pictures. We start by opening WhatsApp, then click on the three upper points and then click on Settings. Next, click on the Storage and Data option. After that, click on the When Using Mobile Data option and deactivate the types of files that we do not want to download automatically with this connection. We will also click on When Connected on Wi-Fi and do the same thing by deactivating the files that we do not want to download automatically with this connection. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.